Friday. We're at work. It's payday Friday. Happy payday Friday. If it's a payday Friday for you, you know that's from my girl Danny J. If you're a real one and you've been watching, because I say it all the time. But happy Friday, y'all. This is the first Friday, and I can't even tell you when that I will be having my full weekend off. So I'm super excited, like, to have 2 days in a row off, because I've just been having my little random off days, or I would pick up Saturday and be off Sunday. But no, we're off 2 days. I'm super happy. I'm on the floor today, so I'm gonna still try to get some footage for y'all, but it's hard. All the action, I can't film, so y'all know that. Y'all know that. Skincare and lashes and brows on fleek over my hair, but I ordered me a new wig. It's a headband wig that I'm gonna rock until I get my hair done. I'm not gonna get that done for a couple of weeks, so I figured I would get me something in the meantime, in between time, and yeah, that's pretty much that. So I'm about to, I already got my work phone. I'm logged in, no one's calling. One of my residents that's pretty heavy on this group is actually in the hospital. So when that happens, that frees my schedule up, so it won't be as busy every day, but I do have a pretty long shower. So yeah, I'm probably gonna just go ahead and get one of my heavy guys up real quick so that I can start my shower and not have to worry about it. So I'm gonna get started, check in with y'all a little bit later. Hey guys, happy Sunday. So it's currently like 4:30 and I haven't vlogged like all weekend, y'all. I was off all weekend. This was my first weekend off that I actually stayed off in months, literally. Like, I was either picking up the whole weekend or I was picking up Saturday, so I was only getting 1 day off. It was really crazy. So this was the first time in a while that I had 2 days off, and it felt so amazing to just relax. And I just really chill, enjoy myself. Two of my 3 younger sisters' birthdays were over the weekend. So Friday was my youngest sister's birthday, and then yesterday, which was Saturday the 21st, was my second to youngest sister's birthday. So yeah, that was kind of exciting. But otherwise than that, y'all, very, very chill, weekend. Just got back home from running a couple errands. Basically what my day consisted of today was cleaning. My grandma's finally coming back home tomorrow. She's been gone since we both went to Atlanta together, and that was for Thanksgiving. So yeah, she's been gone for like almost 3 months at this point, because it's almost February. So she'll be back tomorrow morning. I'm really excited. So I just cleaned up, did my Sunday cleaning routine. It really wasn't that much because I've been keeping it up, everything pretty clean, and it's just me. And normally if I do cook, I clean up the whole kitchen and stuff like that. So I just kind of freshened up. And then same thing in my room. I'm actually going to be completely redoing this room. Right now I have a queen size bed and I'm getting rid of that. I don't want that in here anymore. I want to make it just a lot less cluttered in here for right now, and until I move into my apartment, which is going to be coming up. We'll talk about that later though. I don't want to be, you know, I don't need all big old bed. I just don't. So I'm going to be downsizing, and I want to completely kind of change my room around, change my desk space. I got a new addition I'm going to share with you guys. So I have a couple little things I just want to show you guys. This should be a decent little vlog. I'm going to be editing and uploading a vlog today, and I'm going to include these clips. So this will be at the end of the vlog. But yeah, so the first thing, I went to a couple places, so I just wanted to kind of share with you guys what I got, what we did. So I was telling you guys, I think I shared with you guys that I have a goddaughter. She has yet to be born. She'll be born in March. And one of the things that I want to do as her gift is build her like this DIY closet. I'm going to insert a picture, try to remember to insert a picture so you guys can see it. I found it on, was it Instagram or Pinterest? No, I think Facebook. And basically, you guys will see the picture that I got. I'll insert it. But I needed to get this crate. So I got this wooden crate from Michael's. It was only $14.99. And we're going to spray paint that, obviously. I don't know. I think I'm going to do it like a baby purple, because that's the color like my friend, which is her mom, likes for her, or like something like that. And like silver and glitter is going to be really pretty and girly and all of that. So I picked that up from Michael's. And then I was looking for like the poles, because it's like gonna be a little closet, with the poles, and I'll be able to hang like some of the outfits that I got and things I got. And then I'm gonna fill the actual like inside of this part with different things like pacifiers, soap, onesies, birth towels, like all this kind of stuff. Like I love doing like little baskets anyways with like all my friends when they have babies. Like my friend Siobhan, when she had her daughter, I did a nice little basket for her, and then my friend Jayla, I did a basket for her. Like I just like doing stuff like that. So yeah, I also picked up this wooden heart. I thought this was really, really cute. My plan with that is going to be to put it on here. I think that'll be so cute. And then I'm going to put in really pretty letters on here, her name, her first name. So it's gonna be super cute. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna fill this basket full of stuff. And I've been getting stuff gradually here and there. So the next place I went to was Walgreens. So I needed some more Dr. Teal's. I didn't have many scents in stock, but I just picked up the Relax and Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint because I do have the Vapor Vicks Vapor Scrub. Vapor Crystal, so that'll kind of go together. I want to take a nice bubble bath tonight, relaxing bubble bath. So I picked that up. I also picked up this cute little mini 5-pack of these Carmex. I know you guys, Carmex is so controversial, but I still kind of like it. I know you gotta reapply it and stuff, but I just like it. And I wanted to try these mini tubes. I seen them on TikTok, I think. But yeah, it has strawberry, fresh cherry, wild berry, cool mint, and peach mango. So there's 5 different flavors. Hadn't seen that. Thought that was really different. I got me some coupons. I got me some gum for my purse. And then I also got me a new toothbrush, which I went in there for. That was the main reason I went in there for, was for my bubble bath and for this. And this is my favorite toothbrush. I've been using this toothbrush, excuse me, for like the last 3 years, 4 years at this, 4 years probably at this point. And it's just the Oral-B Deep Clean Electric Toothbrush. This is literally like $8. So bright, y'all, sorry. This is like $8, so $7.99 to be exact. And yeah, love this. And of course you change out every couple of months. So I got that. Okay, next we went to the Dollar Tree. I can't show you guys everything that I got, but I picked up 2 things of paper towels because we needed some of those. I need to get a big pack from Sam's Club. I haven't been there. I haven't been in a while. I need to go. I got 2 AA batteries. I'll show you guys why in a second. These are my favorites. So I got some of these for myself. And then I got just a couple little cute things to add in the basket. These cute little hair bows for her closet. And then I also found this cute little baby Disney bottle. So I picked that up as well. And then the rest of the stuff I can't show you guys that I got from there. Next was Burlington. I picked up some outfits for her closet in onesies. I thought this Nike outfit was so freaking adorable and cute. I literally could not leave it. Like, I thought that was so cute. So I got that. I know she cannot wear these for a long time, but I mean, these were $3. I could not get these. I got her these super cute little house shoes. Thought those were so cute. This 3-pack of onesies. Burlington has really nice baby stuff, y'all. Like really good prices, really good deals. And I tried to get a lot of 3 to 6 months, 0 to 6 months, because she's kind of growing on the larger side already. And then I got her this really cute Carter's converter gown thing with this cute little hat. I thought that was real adorable and cute. So that's that. And then lastly, the last thing that we got is for myself. And y'all, look at this. I got a BB Hollywood Glam lighted vanity mirror. It has 6 bulbs on there, and this is what I got the batteries for. Like, I am so obsessed. I seen this and I wanted it so much, and I got it. So I'm obsessed. I'm in love with this. So I don't think I'm gonna open it until I get ready to move my room around, which will probably be tomorrow. But if not tomorrow, sometime this week. Those are my big projects. Getting her closet finished and getting my room moved around are going to be like some of my big projects on the list. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys was I ordered me a new headband wig off of Amazon, but I guess it's in the car. So I got to run back to the car because I want to get that and I want to try it on and show you guys. and get on with my night. All right, y'all, had to run to the car real quick because I want to show you guys unbox the wig because I'm gonna be putting it on. I'm gonna prep my hair for it. This wig, I mean, this headband is all out of place, but I'm gonna be prepping my hair, which just includes a deep conditioning, wash and deep conditioning. I'm gonna attempt to braid it down under the wig. It just works better, and I'm not gonna do like super duper little braids. But yeah, it came in a really basic box, you guys. I'll leave the link down below. I did my research. I often order hair from Amazon. If you guys are OGs, the first ever hair bundle review I ever did was like 3 bundles of 16-inch hair that I got for $60, and it was good hair. And I used to just really try like to really stick with affordable hair. But now as I'm getting older, I'm kind of getting into the, I like quality over quantity, but also at the same time, like I'm not gonna be just spending ridiculous amounts of money. Like I don't want to pay $400 on hair, $300 on hair, even $200 sometimes. So anyways, I got a headband wig. This is a straight headband wig. It's 20 inches. And I paid $69 for it. They had 22, I think, and that I almost got the 22-inch one. And that one was $80, $79. So, yeah, it's just straight. The hair, it seems really soft. This actually really reminds me of the texture of my shorter one that I have. I get so many compliments on that one. People think it's my real hair all the time. So, feels nice. And yeah, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna be wearing this for the next couple of weeks. I just want to kind of really put my hair up. I want to oil my scalp, like really just take care of it. And that slick back ponytail is just not doing good, so I felt like this was a good alternative. And then eventually, like sometime next month, I'll be getting to install like a sew-in. But for now, this is what we're gonna be rocking with. So I'll leave the link to this wig down below in case you guys want to purchase it. And of course, you guys know I'll keep you guys updated throughout the vlogs. But I need to really, honestly, y'all, get me some clothes. I have like no clothes, even down to like the basics and like the essentials. I was thinking about getting some stuff from Old Navy. I heard a lot of good things about their basics. They have a lot of Skims dupes. Even Target, I heard like their sweatpants are cute. I want really like some basic kind of staple pieces. I want to change up my style just a little bit. So I literally budgeted some money, you guys, for me to get clothes, because I gave away so many of my clothes and I've just been getting rid of because I don't wear this stuff. Also because I'm working on my shape. So tomorrow we're going to get a gym membership finally. Like so many things are going to be changing. You guys are going to be seeing that. And I decided that I want to get me a gym that has access to a pool, hot tub, sauna, steam room. Those amenities just make me more motivated to go. It's like a treat after I work out, and I just think I will enjoy that more. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to budget for it. That's what we're doing. So it's just going to be a nice little chill night. I got some Chinese food, so I'm about to eat that. Put this stuff away. I already cleaned up, so put this stuff away and pretty much relax. I'm gonna edit this vlog. It's gonna go up for you guys tonight. Like I said, I'm gonna take me a nice bubble bath, and then I'm gonna take me a nice shower. I'm gonna wash my hair. We're gonna do our skincare. I've been doing really good at skincare, y'all. I actually really want to film a video, so I'm probably gonna try that wig on later. I want to film an empties video because I want to get rid of the stuff. I've had the stuff forever. And I really should do a favorites because I have so many different products I've been trying and stuff. But yeah, y'all, it's been a good weekend. I'm excited. We get back to work tomorrow. Lots of exciting things coming up. Good things. And yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to come on here and let you guys know. If anything is going on, I will vlog and talk to you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna eat my chocolate and work through my to-do list that I got. So